Hello YouTube, Copper King Recycling, and today on the table I've got this little, I think this was used to connect the camera to the soundboard for YouTube, but it is no longer functioning, so I get to see what's inside. First thing I notice is screws. Wait a minute, like this one. Take this one out. You and you. You there. Uh-oh. May figure out a way to get these off here. There. Remove those parts and let's see. Oh, comes right apart. That is basura. What if I tapped it? No? Right there too. Oh yeah, see? That comes off. Oh. And more garbage. There we go. That was easy, and this looks like a very unexciting board, but I do see some in here. That's going to take a little bit more. And there you go, with a little gentle persuasion. You can get in these tougher spots, and that looks like some shiny gold to me. I'll get into these other parts at another time and find out what's in here and so forth. But that is, I don't know what the real problem was. I mean, before the hammer, it looked like a good board, but you can never tell. I can never tell. There it is. Thanks for watching.